सरस्वती महाभागे विद्यें कमललोचने विश्वरूपे विशालाक्षी विद्यां देहि नमोस्तुते. Ma Saraswati is termed the mother of all Vedas. She is referred by other names like Vagdevi, Shatarupa, Sharadamba, etc. The lotus on which Ma Saraswati sits is considered as a symbol of supreme knowledge, and the veena that she holds symbolizes harmony, intelligence, and intellect. The compound Sanskrit word derives from saras, that is flow in watery pools, and vati means possessor. Hence, Goddess Saraswati is the embodiment of the perennial flow of knowledge. Goddess Saraswati also happens to be the first watercourse of habitation for Vedic and ancient Indian civilization. The Saraswati watercourse flowed east of the Indus from the Himalayas to the ocean through Kurukshetra. After Lord Brahma created the cosmic universe, he realized that it lacked forms, concepts, and orders. He felt lost and needed assistance to organize the universe. He decided to create the very embodiment of knowledge to help him with his Herculean task. And from his mouth emerged the goddess Saraswati. She gave him direction on how to create order in the cosmos. The sun, the moon, and the stars were born. The oceans emerged and seasons changed. The joyous Brahma then named Saraswati as Vagdevi, the goddess of speech and sound. Thus, Brahma became the creator of the world, with Saraswati as a source of wisdom. Another tale tells the story of how goddess Saraswati got back the life-giving Somras from the Gandharvas without a war. It is believed that the Gandharvas were demigods who sprang from the fragrance of flowers. They stole the Soma plant from the gods, as its inebriating and invigorating sap was believed to make Devas immortal. This infuriated the gods, but goddess Saraswati promised to recover the plant without a fight. She walked into the garden of the Gandharvas and began to create beautiful music with her veena, the enchanting tunes of ragas and the raginis. Mesmerized, the Gandharvas begged for the music, and goddess Saraswati agreed to teach it to them if they returned the Soma plant. Hence, the gods got back their Soma plant, and the Gandharvas learned music to become celestial musicians whose melodies could rouse the mind. While together Lord Brahma and goddess Saraswati are considered to be the creators of the universe, few know that they never enjoyed domestic bliss. Legends say that she sprung from the forehead of her father Brahma. When Brahma set eyes on the beautiful Saraswati, he became enamored by her beauty and intelligence. Saraswati disliked his lust, so she decided to escape his gaze. But no matter what direction she moved in, Brahma grew another head just to be able to look at her. He grew a head in each direction and one atop them all, hence having 5 heads to be able to see her anywhere. This distressed goddess Saraswati a great deal, and she cursed Lord Brahma so he would have very few temples to worship him. When Brahma's lust started to upset the order of the world, Lord Shiva stepped in as Bhairava, the lord of terror. As Bhairava ripped off Brahma's 5th head, he came back to his senses. He needed to perform a yajna to cleanse himself, but needed a wife for that. So Brahma took Saraswati as his wife. Yet she remained aloof and absent-minded, as the marriage was out of duty and the two never enjoyed marital bliss. According to the Hindu scriptures, the birthday of goddess Saraswati falls on Vasanta Panchami and is observed on the 5th day of the lunar month of Magha every year. Ma Saraswati Puja can offer the facility of judgment and take away the confusions and afflictions from the mind. It will enhance clarity of thought and also the ability to foresee the risks. Om Saraswatiyai Namaha.